Hello, Jason here. Today is October 29th, and this is your aftermarket update. So again, we had another good day here at the Oil Trading Group. It's back-to-back good days here. Yesterday really lit the candle for us in terms of activity, and today we started out doing pretty well. If you take a look here, we're going to scroll back into just after the open here. We came into this resistance point and failed down from 40 down to 45.88. And then we began this process of testing this resistance point. We came up to it and tested, we fell. We came up to it and tested, we failed again. We came up to it and tested and failed again. This time, the last time that we failed, we left a low down here at 46.15. The market rallies through that minor resistance point and then begins to taper and come down. It was once we came down through the previous session high and into this low here, past this low at 46.15, right? This structure point on your 1 minute chart, we had a high, we had a lower high, and then once we failed through the previous session high and through this structure point, I began to get short, and that is where the OTG trade of the day picks up. Put up with a little bit of heat. We were short 14, gets up to 20, and I ended up adding, started with 2 lots and ended up adding 2 more. Looking for this target down here today at the 45.64. That was the target we were looking for. You'll see that I end up getting taken out right up here around 77. We had this big fail and began to bounce off the top of the zone, and I did not want to get taken out and have this thing completely retrace. So even though you'll hear me talk about the target down here at 64, which we actually tagged at 63, I did go ahead and get out a few ticks earlier than that. But this is where the OTG trade of the day is. So again, the market rallied up through. We tested our resistance point, rallied up through that resistance point, came back and tested. It became support. Once we fell through the previous session high and fell through this structure point here, that's where we initiated the short trade, and we wrote it down to our target, adding, we started with 2 contracts, so we added 2 more along the way. And again, we were targeting for this 45.64. It actually hit 77 and bounced back, but that was a good enough trade here. So it was just over 100 ticks here on the OTG trade of the day. So without further ado, I'm going to let you watch that OTG trade of the day. 14. Okay. In at 22. Come on, get through 22. 21. Just got to 22. There we go. Okay, stops at break even now. Stop is at break even. Come on, keep me in this. Don't roll around and take me out here. Not yet. Don't do it. Got down to 08 and bounced. 93 is an ad spot. 93. What's the low down here? 89. So we'll go add at 87. Add at 87. Target 64. But this may take me, this may come get me before any of that. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add 2 at 87. Okay? I'm going to add 2 at 87. And the final target will be 64. Okay, if we come down to 06 and can't get through it, I'll put a one. I'll take one off at 12. I'll put a buy stop at 12. $64 is your final target. 64 would be your final target. Okay, there's 8-7. We got to get through 7-6. Come on, 5-4. Let's push through it here. Stop is 21. Stop is 21. Come on. Got to get through the ETH price down there at 6. Okay, don't dick around here. Let's just finish the move up here. Finish the move off. Got to get through the 06. You got 107 at 01 and 141, and now you got an iceberg at 07. A huge iceberg at 8 and 7. Let's see if we can get through it. Got to get through 07 to 06. I just want to touch 06. 170 on an iceberg order at 07. We break through that, we'll be in decent shape. Let's go. $100 and $200 plus orders have hit the bid at 07. You've got another iceberg. There we go. We got through 7 to 6 and even as deep as 5. Now push through it. Come on, 5-4. 119 have hit the bid at 05. Lots of sellers trying to get through it here at 05. Do not take me out. Do not come back and take me out here. $22 is the stop. Mother fudger. Come on. Quit dinking me around here today. Yep, hit the ETH price down there. Also the Asian range high. Okay. Now we're back to 16.15, which has been tough today. Come on, there we go. Fight your way all the way back down here to 13.12. Get through it. Just got to fight through it here. 12, 11, 10. Come on. You can do this. All right, let's go. Get through 12, 11, 10. Got down as deep as 09. 8, 7. Come on, 9, 8, 7. We had one on the bid at 08. 7. Come on, you can do it. 8, 7, 6. Fight your way through it here. 9. Come on. Break down through 8, 7, 6. 105 up there at 20. Limit order short. I don't even want to go test those. I do not care to go and test those. Top of the hour coming up. By the way, we just went through the European session close. Top of the hour in 12 minutes. All right, come on. We've got as deep as 08. And we need this thing to push back to the downside here. Come on, 765. Get through it. We got to break that bottom that is 05. There we go. Good. Now go, gosh dang it. 87 is the add. All right, let's go ahead and protect here to 12. Protect to 12. All right, come down to settlement here at 94. Got to 93. Stop is 12 now. It's either going to go or it isn't, okay? 12 is the stop. We hit settlement. I'm not going to give anything back off of that. The previous low down here was 89. I'm going to add 2 to this. We came down to settlement. Tagged settlement. You got London range low at 75, Asian at 70. You got a revision signal also right here at 96. A close below that gives you a revision target at 58, and that would be all good. Right, that would be all good. $60 limit orders coming in here now. And you've got a bottom down here at 88. And we just closed that gap. We closed it earlier. Okay, 92, 91.90. Okay, I've added back in. Trail stop here. Target is down there at 65. 65 is the target. 65 is your target. Come on, get through. We got down to 80 down there. 65 is the target. Okay, we need to stay below settlement here. Stop is at 01. My trail in, add in, everything here is 04. My trail stop here is 01. And we got down to 81 down there. 65 is the target. 65 is the target. I need to stay below settlement. 02 is the trail stop here. Okay, check settlement and be it. New bar here. New 5-minute bar coming up here. You need to close underneath 96, 97. Structure mid is 70. Okay, that's as high as I want this thing to bounce back. That's as high as we want this thing to bounce back, is settlement. Okay, come on, 86, 85. Target is 65. Target is 65. I want to break through 81. Okay, 86, 85. Let's go. New candle and top of the hour. Come on, get through it in about 6 minutes. Make that target 64. 64 is the target. Come on, 85, 84, 83, 82. Let's get through it. Trail stop is still 02 for the moment. Come on, 83, 82, 82, 81. Break this through here. 64 is the target. Come on, 82, Wayne. Then 81.80. Let's go. Yeah, Dave St. C brings up a good point. Remember, yesterday we hit the 200% range extension. That means fair value does come into play at some point today, and that's all the way down at the breakpoint target down there at 81. So just be mindful of that. That is a potential here today, is to go back and hit that fair value. So we got down to 79. I was looking away when we hit 79. Bring the trail stop here to 8 ticks to 96. Come on, 81, 80, 79. Come on, you can do it. Push through it. Double bottom now at 79. You've had 11 hit the bid down there. You know, I bring the trail stop back to 02. I'm going to give this all the space that it needs. Come on, 79, 78. You've got top of the hour in 4.5 minutes, 5 minutes. Come on, get through it. Come on, get through that 79. Double, triple bottom at 79 now. Do not fight your way back up here. Do not do it. Come on, 79, 78. I don't see a disproportionate number of orders underneath us trying to keep the floor here. So Wayne's 82 is coming to fruition here. Wow, we don't need to break settlement. Trying to stay in till the top of the hour here and see if we can get some push out of the top of the hour here to finish this move to the downside. You got 3 minutes and 20 seconds left here. I do think we'll come down to the center point step at 64. That is what I believe will happen. We'll see. You stay underneath settlement. 02, 03 is the stop here. 03 is the stop. I'm going to give this every ounce of space that I can. And we've got 2 minutes and 15 seconds till the top of the hour. And this 15-minute bar, if you get a close underneath 88 or lower, that will be a good sign. Obviously, I would like to see it closing down around the bottom of this bar at 79. $200 period moving average on the 5-minute right now is at 78. So that's beautiful. Now on the 1 minute, it's at 96. So pick one. $75, by the way, on the 5-minute, 70 point or 200 period moving average. Well, oh well, we need to stay below 94. We need to get down into the 80s again. Top of the hour in 50 seconds. Come on, 89, 88, 88, 87. Now let's go. Final minute of this bar. Let's just do what we got to do here. There's 79, 78, 77, 76, 75. That's the 200 period average. Go ahead and bring it now to 94 on the stop. It's either got to go or it's not here. Make it 96 on the stop. There's 79, 78. We hit the 200 period moving average on the 5-minute. And we got just about 15 seconds here till the close. There's 79. Come on, back down through. One good push down to 65 here. 78, 77, 76. Come on, 76, 75. 76. There's 74, 73. 70, 69, 68. Come on, bring the trail stop now down to 84. Got to hit that target. Let's go. We should hit the 64, but I'm not going to take too much. It's going to go 79 on the stop. 69. Come on, 68, 67. There's 69. Get through it. You've got some orders at 69 trying to hold it up here. 68, 67. Come on, 66, 65. Bring the trail stop now to 74. Trail stop at 74 here. It's either going to go or it isn't, and I'm going to be pretty happy at 74. That'll be 30 ticks. Make it 76. And there's 70. I'm actually at 77 on the stop and out. I'm still in at 77 on the stop here. 77 and out at 77. That's fine. I'll take it. I'll take that. All right. So you saw that I took myself out at 77 there. It was right up in this area here. We had come down into the top of the box. This rallied right back up to 78. And that's where I got taken out. And then 1-2 bars later, about 2 minutes later, it comes down and takes out the target. So if you've been with me over the last couple of weeks, there's been a lot of that to the tick and stop outs, either on profitable moves or on stops, just plain old stops. So there's been a lot of that. We've been dealing with a little bit of that here over the past couple of weeks. That's part of trading, and that's the way it goes. So with this particular trade, knowing that we've had some challenging trading conditions, the market has been sideways for a really long time in terms of trading weeks, about 2.5, 3 weeks. I went ahead and took the profit out down there at 64, and I'm A-okay with that. So again, as always, I want to say thank you for spending some time watching the trading videos here at the Oil Trading Group. And until tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck and good trading.